To break it down, joining us now, I'm really pleased to say, is Dana Peterson of the Conference Board. Dana, let's go through this jobs market together. You've had about 6 minutes to go through the detail. What do you make of this? A lot of people around this table, including Mohammed El-Erian, saying this is the growth scare and there's good reason for it. Do you agree?
I think there's a bit of an overreaction here. 114 is still a really strong number. I think we were used to these outsized numbers when we were recovering from the pandemic, where we know millions of people were let go, and then you had to recover them. So this is probably about normal for the labor market right now. And also, when you look at an unemployment rate at 4.3%, that is still very low. And what we're hearing from CEOs is that they're not really looking to let people go. They're holding on to their workers. And we have to remember, payrolls are a net number, right? And the thing is that on net, we're still adding jobs here.
So the reason why people say this may be different, and Dana push back on this, is that there are normal buffers for certain segments of the households. There are normal pandemic savings. There's very little credit availability left for them. That it's all about labor income. And if labor income starts falling, then you're going to get a much quicker, sort of non-linear reaction in the economy than otherwise. So push back on this notion that the problem is that there are no other buffers in this economy.
Well, it's correct that the pandemic's the excess savings is gone, but most people are working who want to work. Wages are still rising year on year, and they're still above what we saw during the great financial crisis and pandemic period. So, yes, we are seeing people lever up on debt. All this is suggesting that, yes, the economy is going to slow. That's what happens when you raise interest rates, and the goal was to lower inflation. Now, the Fed is closer to its goal. Inflation's at 2.5%, but we're not there yet, and certainly there are a number of factors that are putting upward pressure on inflation. And remember, Fed Chair Powell said he doesn't want to see material further weakening in the labor market. I'm not sure that this report gets us there. And again, they're probably going to want to see next month's report also, plus the inflation data.